Welcome to Forex daily channel personally into the financial market. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and active notifications too. Each time I post a video like this or an educational content like this, YouTube can easily get you notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this channel. If you are seeing this for the first time, this is Forex YouTube channel where we did and where we film our day-to-day activities in the financial market for you to learn and see how our work did well by documenting our video and our activities via our Telegram channel and our social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and so forth. So if you're looking for where to trade or a community of a Forex group, you can join my Telegram channel using the link below. So without wasting much of your time, we'll be discussing Trendline breakout strategy. I know you guys are seeing the screen now. It is very zigzag. This is a screen of an analysis. This is my major screen where I did do analysis and where I managed my trade very well as a day trader. So let me take you to a fresh chart of SAUSD. So come dive with me. As you can see this on the fresh chart, there's nothing here unless there's nothing here unless the chart. This is a fresh chart, as you all can see. So normally, as a day trader, you go to a 4-hour time frame to determine your strength. So what are we going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for a trendline breakout strategy that is suited out for your trading. As a day trader, what do you have to look out for when trading trendline? Is number one. The correct trend line, which is a good trend line, has to have a minimum of 2 touch. Yeah, 2 touch. Before you can confirm either is a trend line, it has to have a minimum of 2 touch. This 2 touch has to indicate of the first where you draw it from. Let's take for instance, this is my trend line now. At least from this zone here, this 1 touch, and there has to be another touch anywhere here to confirm that this trend line is confirmed and is good to go. So let me delete it then. 2 theory. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. Let me take the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, while I'm doing this, I want to show you that the strategy is working on every pair. So let's go to 15-minute time, which is our entry position. Yeah. So let's use here. As you can see, this is the first touch. As you can see, This is the first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. And over the years and over the experience, from my experience as a forex trader, yeah, before a trade line has to break out, it has to ask a maximum of 4 touch. Immediately there is 4 touch, there must be a breakout. Like this, just a simple strategy I've been using that has been working for me. There has to be a breakout. In maximum of 4 touch, there must be a fake out, either a fake out or a breakout. A fake out is when the trade when there's a manipulation, then the trade just fake out, then it reverse and it start going to the trend. Let's say for instance now, this is an uptrend. This is the first touch, the second touch, the third touch, the fourth touch. And let me say for instance now, as a trader, yeah, I am going to be looking for a buy opportunity, because the trend has shown me that we are in an uptrend by creating higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low, then creating higher high, higher low, and so forth and so on. Immediately after this first touch, this second touch, so then as a trader here, how do I want to execute it? This is a trend line strategy, so I have to wait for this third touch. What does this third touch give me? So this third touch give me confirmation, and I have to wait for it to come to the zone. Yeah. So in waiting for it, I have to look for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. As you can see here, I got my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So I'm going to say 70 pips to make 140 pips. That's when we talk about 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So immediately this first touch, this second touch, then I have to go. So what you have to understand here is immediately the trend just breaks out of this structure now. Like there's a breakout. Immediately fake out, I have to wait for a retest. Yeah, this is when the breakout comes in, the breakout strategies comes in. Immediately it breaks out here. Immediately this breaks out. What do? I have to wait for a retest. A retest means when it breaks out, it has to retest this trend line again for confirmation zone. What do I have to do? I have to come here, take my sell position, then click here. Don't forget, I have to determine for 1 to 2 weeks above this would high before. Yes, exactly where my stop loss is. If a trader, you understand that here is where your stop loss is. So I have to determine one. You can see I got my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So this is how it is trading this trading strategy. So let's see, for instance, let me just show you another one. Okay. Yes. Let me look for perfect trendline strategy. This is a perfect trading strategy. This is a swing low one, because yes, as you can see here now, the structure of the market has changed. To those who understand market structure, the structure of the market has changed from here to a sell zone, but the overall chart is on buy. But from this zone, and there has been a change of structure. It breaks this low, breaks this low, breaks this low, breaks this low. that has been a change, a freaking change of structure. So what you have to look for is this one touch, this two touch. It has given you a confirm. It has given me a confirmation. This is my first touch, this is my second touch. Then I have to wait for the third touch. This is my third touch. So I have to wait for the, let me see for this zone, right? Yeah? So I have to look for my short position. Then I have to bring out it like that. What do I always say? I have to target my 1 to 2. Sometimes my stop-loss are very small because gold is very volatile, and if you're not careful, you might lose, or if you're not calculating a lot, you might lose a lot of money before you know it. As you can see, this is how simple it is using this trendline strategy. Yeah. So what do I see? I say that a good trend line has to ask minimum of 2 touch for confirmation that is, yes, this is a trend line. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, the third touch. When it came like this here, 1, 2, 3, I have to sell from this zone. Okay, so immediately I sell, I target my 1 to 2, hit my 1 to 2, market start reversing. So let's go to USD JPY. With this trend line, is you have to first of all determine the trend, the overall trend of that particular pair. Either it's Forex, crypto, stock, or indices. Listen to me. It works in crypto, it works in stocks, it works in indices. So you have to determine which one you have to trade first, or what is the overall trend of this particular pair now. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Or is it consolidating? These are the major questions you as a trader you have to ask yourself. Yeah. So also from this zone, it has been on a massive uptrend. This has been on a passive uptrend. So let's take it to the 15 minutes time frame. So don't forget, my video on top-down analysis will be coming as well. So I am adding everything together so you can understand it perfectly. So I said that before, as a trader, including this strategy, before you trade, first and foremost, you have to determine the overall trend. Is it trending up or is it trending down? And one thing Trendline helps us to do as students is Trendline helps us to determine the trend of the market. So then, in trading the strategy, after you have determined the trend of the market, then you have to make sure you have a minimum of 2 points. These 2 points have to determine before it is called trend, it has to ask a minimum of 2 touch. Let's take for instance, does this one ask 2 touch? Let's see. Okay. So immediately come to this zone, it retested to this trend line again, it retests to this zone. I have to look for a buy because it has determined, it has retested that trade line the third time. From this zone, I have to buy. And when I want to buy, I want to target my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Then a little below this swing low. Yeah. I just capture my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, just as simple as this. So then I have to determine the trend again, because the trend line has to continue. But why am I using this short trend line? Is I want to show you guys how to draw the trend line correctly by yourself. So this is still another touch, the continuation of the trend line. This one touch. As you can see, this is a fake out. This is what we call fake out. You can see this wick here is what is called fake out. So you have to pay attention to this fake out thing. I have to do for my long position. Maybe this wick out, I have to buy for you. So this is my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Why does it look bogus, or why does the stop loss look so bogus? Is number one, this spike, this fake out, so I have to determine my stop loss below it, a little bit beneath it. So just look for yourself. So let's look for a separate. Okay, let's look for another opportunity again. This is a trend line zone. What do I say? I say a trend line has to have a minimum of 2 points. This is 1. Because see, this is 2. Let me mark it out for you to view. This is 1. This is 2. This the third one could not get there. Then this fourth one. So from this zone now, I have to go for my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Let's take for instance. What is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio? Let's take for instance. I am risking $100 to make $200. So if I am to lose, or if the market go against me, I have to lose $100. If it go in my profit, I have to win $200. So that is how it is. So I have to take a buy from the zone. Then my stop loss has to go beneath this weak rejection, this previous low. As you can see, I get my 1 to 2, just as simple as that. So let's take for example, when it comes to breaks out, this thing very well. So you can see that the trend line breaks out from this zone. Yeah? When it breaks out, then what as a trend line trader strategy, sorry guys, I have to wait for it to retest. Maybe I saw this long position here. I have to say this, not you have to tell me. And my stop loss has to be beneath this zone. So I have to sell. Yeah. So I got my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So I have seen that trend line zone already. This is another zone. Okay. First touch, second touch, because this first touch, it will give me my second touch. It has given me a confirmation that the trend line is valid. Trend line is valid when it gives you 2 touch. It's invalid when it gives you only 1 touch. 2 touch is valid. So then I have to look for a buy for the zone. The sniper entry. So So I have to look for this buy from this zone. Then my stop loss here. So I got my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So here is another touch. In this zone, and this is the fourth touch, I have to buy again. Let's see if I would have made profit for you. Yeah, so this is how I would have betrayed. Then I would have take a loss from here. So I would have lost here. So as you can see, we have no profit. Then this is where this is where I would have lost trading here, because immediately I saw this, I have to take a buy and that's not moving it before I put in here. I would have break even. No, the retest is top out. Then the market continue. Boom. Okay, let's look for this trend. Let me look for this breakout here. So this breakout, that's where it was determining if the trend line is okay. This one touch. This two touch. This third touch. This third touch, let me see. Sometimes I could have not taken an entry because I will be waiting for it to push to hit it a little bit. Then my pending order will be somewhere here, exactly here. So to hit it a little bit and to confirm this double top here. Then this triple, I could have not take this. This is my touch. I will take this. Let's see if we can make profits here. This previous one game. We can see that we can make profits here from this zone. Okay, this is another touch from the zone. Then from this zone here, we have to determine the zone. Wow. See, from this zone, this is the best zone. This is another touch. If you could listen very well, before Trendline breaks out, it has to have a maximum of 4 touch. I have seen this, it has proven to me. I have seen this, that has proven to me. Trendline has to ask a maximum of 4 touch. Even with that 4 touch, just know that there will be a breakout. I know the market is not our friend, but I'm telling you what I have experienced over the years. So come to this zone here. We have to look for a sell. So this is how it is. Let me see for instance. Because this is the trade line app that still sell from this zone. You see, we ended up taking losses here, but we could count. It has given us 3 touch. The 4th touch it has a breakout. So this is how it is trading this Trendline Trading Strategy. This is how it is. So let me give you the last one because I don't want this video to be this long. Let's take Euro, your GBP USD. So you can see it has created this one, these two. This three. So immediately I saw this three here, I have to buy the result. When the stop loss is exactly said in this room, then I have to become my 1 to 2. Simple as that. So as you guys can see, you can see how simple this strategy is. So I'm not telling you to just go fund your money and start trading this strategy I am bringing out here. And I'm saying please and please and please and please, I'm begging you to back test this. If it works, come back to the comment section and drop what you notice. If it did not work, come back to the comment section and drop your comment on the comment box, or you could send me directly. I don't feel offensive. It's your comment, it's what you experience. So come back and let me know what you experience creating this strategy and back testing it with me. So if you are not subscribed, please and please, you are missing a lot. Subscribe. And if you are just watching us, please don't forget to use the link below to follow me on all our social media, and don't forget to join our Telegram community, Prof FS community. I will love you guys and I wish to see you. I don't want this video to be this long, but I have to teach it. Love you.